Welcome to Balochi Zone. Today we'll cover building sentences with I need to or I must in Baluchi language. Let's dive into it. Say in Baluchi is gwash, gwash, or you can say gosh, depending on the region. For example, say it would be gwashi, gwashi, or goshi. Says, gwashit, gwashit, or goshit. Says it, goshiti, gwashiti. Saying, gwashag, gwashag, or goshag. Saying it, goshagi, goshagi. They sound quite rude, I know, but this is Baluchi. Said, gwashed, or gosht, gosht. Said it, gwashti, or goshti. This is how we roll. Now, if I wanted to get expressive in future tense and speak along the line of I need to say it or I must say it, we use man, goshag, ent. Mana goshagient. So the formula is man plus plus goshag plus plus ent. This is the English translation of the formula. I plus to plus saying plus it plus is. And in Baluchi, this would translate as I need to say it or I must say it. If I wanted to say I need to say this or I must say this, it would translate as mana ie goshagi ent. Mana ie goshagi ent. Or you can say ie mana goshagi ent. Ie mana goshagi ent. See? Very simple. How about you need to say this? You need to say this. Ie teo goshagient or ie taro goshagient. We need to say this. Ie maya goshagient or ie mara goshagient. They need to say this. Ie ayana goshagient or ie ayanara goshagient. Now let's explore with other words. This is a horse. Ie asp ie ent. Ie aspie ent. To say ride in Baluchi, we say touch. Touch. Riding, tochag. Rides, tochit. Road, tochet. How would you say, I need to ride this horse or I must ride this horse in Baluchi? Mana ie asp tochagi ent. Mana ie asp tochagi ent or ie asp mana tochagi ent. Let's try with another word. To say buy, we say zur. It also translates as take. Buying, zurag. Zurag. Buys, zurit. Zurit. Bought, zort. Or you can say zortag. Zortag. How would you say I need to buy this horse, or I must buy this horse? منا یه اسب زورگیند. or یه اسب منا زورگیند. What about I need to buy that horse, or I must buy that horse? منا آ اسب زورگیند. or آ اسب منا زورگیند. آ اسب منا زورگیند. Lastly, it is the same story when it comes to do. To say do, we say can. Do it, canny. Does, can't. Does it, can'ty. Doing, canag. Doing it, canagi. Canagi. Did, caught. Did it, caughty. Caughty. If I wanted to say I need to do this, or I must do this, it would translate as Mana ye kanagi ent. Mana ye kanagi ent. Or ye mana kanagi ent. Ye mana kanagi ent. I hope you've enjoyed this short lesson. So this is how we create sentences with I need to or I must in Baluchi language.